you crazy bunch. Just going to explore an old barn. I don't know if there's anything in there, but we'll have a little look. Sometimes you find old tractors, things like that, machinery that's been left behind. And it does look like this is definitely abandoned. Look at this. How's this for a roller? Or whatever it is, look at this. These are the sort of things I love to find. So it's now the beginning of September 2024. I haven't been exploring in over a year. I've just done an abandoned farmhouse ruins. I'm not sure it was a farmhouse, more of a manor house. It was stunning. So I've just done that, and I'm kind of excited to be out exploring again. So any exploring buddies want to get in touch? I'm free. Soon to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So yeah, and I just want to get out there again. I'm absolutely loving this. Anyone who can drive, even better, because car sharing, you know, works, doesn't it? So let's have a little look over here. So I'm with my son Caleb and my friend Georgia J. Georgia J's a singer. She's on YouTube. Check her out. And it was Georgia that found these two places today. There we are. What we got by here?
I don't know. Anyone know what this is?
Oh, I think you put like grain or something through it, is it?
Yeah.
This is what I like to see, you know, things like this. Let's have a look. It's really weird because you've seen so many of my videos and you've said I'm crazy and the things I do, and now you're here. It's brilliant.
I'm with crazy woman. That's wonderful.
This, I imagine, is where they milk the cows, is it?
Yeah.
Stuck a cow in between each of these. If I'm wrong, I'm sure someone will let me know. Oh, let's have a look. Yeah, this is definitely forgotten about this place, isn't it? Such a shame. There's not even a smell of cow pat or anything. What have we got by here? Oh, look at the size of this.
I like a good smell of a cow pat.
Yeah. clear the sinuses. Oh, I tell you, when Georgia showed me this across a field earlier, I was like, oh, I got to go in it today. Got to. Even got electric lights, or had electric lights up here. Look, if you can see.
Quite a modern bar,
There.
isn't it?
Yeah, and it's just been left. It's baffling, isn't it? This could be used.
Not far from the old house we just saw.
I know. Oh, and this is all on in my local area, like, so I was hoping a bit more machinery, but it don't matter because, you know, this roller is just bloody, look at this.
It's flat on the ground, is it?
I've been to farms and I found loads of old tractors, ploughs, everything rusted, and they're brilliant. There's another building behind there, but I cannot,
Flat in the ground.
I can't get to it. There we are then, I think. Should we have a look? I don't want to bloody go home now. See, I'm out and I'm excited again. Yeah, so it's been about a year since I've been. Yeah, I've been in by there. Oh, we can't get over there, look. It's all brambles. As you know me from my previous videos, I detest brambles. Brambles and stingies.
Yeah.
Bloody hate them. Oh, there we are. Well, that's two buildings, which is brilliant. Just have a little look around the site, see we can just check it out. I got to remember when I'm filming to hold my phone up. I'm sure, as I said, someone would nitpick at my filming. I'm not a filmmaker. I'm just a normal person trying to film as best as I can and show people my finds, and you know, they excite me and hopefully they'll excite everybody else. And if they don't, right, part 2 of the barns video, because I'd stopped filming and didn't realise there was another barn. So as you can see, we've got a lot of equipment and there's tractors and everything. I got to get over there. Ah, shit. Right. Someone's been over here because look, there's a tyre right here that I can get in, climb in and out. Yeah. There we are.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's here.
Yeah.
Right, you can get across the other way, look. There is a way in the back.
Yeah, but it's all the brambles. If you can do it, that'd be brilliant. I wish Caleb could see this. Dodgy looking lorry. Let's have a look. I'm afraid to look. Please don't be open. Oh, no, it's closed. We'll have another look, see if I can get inside there now. So, here's a tractor. Oh, look at it. Oh, poor tractor. Sad, it's just left here to rot. I always stop filming thinking, you know, I've seen everything, and then I'm told that there's more. Loads of stuff in here, more in here than the rest of the barn, but now this would have been, oh, I don't know. Obviously some sort of conveyor belt thing, is it? Let's have a look at this. No registration. I can't see it on the floor. Yeah. I wonder what is in there. Let's have a look here. What have we got around here? Oh, look at that. Old wheels as well. Fab. That's really... I was going to try and turn that in. Oh, it's a really old looking... Can you see? It's a cart sort of thing. Ooh. I cannot see in there. Ooh. Oh, it's all empty. Thank God for that. If I seen two pair of eyes looking at me then, I would have shit myself. So, there we are. Two separate barns, two barns connected, but totally separate. You can't get in and out of them, so there we are. I think that's the end of my filming now. What do you reckon? I stopped it earlier prematurely. I do like that there. And this is the tyre. I climbed up on the wall. There's Georgia. I thank Georgia so much today for finding these, honestly. Bloody hell. And she wasn't going to tell me because she thought I'd probably seen them. But nah, I haven't. So right, there we are then, you crazy bunch. I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.